fire it up. Cornish sunrise, engine growl, blacktop shaking, hear her howl. Chrome and thunder rolling free, open road calling me. Roadmaster rumble low and loud.
Well, we got a nice early start. I'm in Port Talbot, Wales, and we're off to go to Midwest Moto Indian dealership, Stourbridge. Got a couple of guys meeting us over there. So we got two Roadmasters and a Harley Davidson. Yeah, so as I said, we're going up a Midwest Moto. It should take us just over 2 hours, 2 hours 20 minutes. So I'm not sure what route we're going. I think we're going the Scenic route. I'm not sure if we're going to stop off for a cuppa, but we're supposed to be meeting for breakfast, I think.
Side by side, meet good people, shake a hand, ride the coast, ride the land, motorways and country bends, every mile new road, new friends. Wind hits hard, but I don't break. Every ride's a risk. Morning light on chrome and steel, cold air cuts, but it feels real. Engine hum, a steady sound, leaving weight I carried in the ground. Rolling past the fields of green, everything sharper than it's been. Every mile pulls something loose from the truths I've been holding on to. I've been boxed in by walls and time. Every sign says stay in line, but the horizon calls my name, and I don't fight it, not today. Where the road opens wide and the sky comes alive, I breathe deeper with every mile, riding through something bigger than I am. Through the valleys, through the climb, every bend resets my mind. Yeah, the world feels right when the road opens wide. Stone walls, rivers running fast, rain on vows of moments past, mountains standing like they know every secret I don't show. Waterfalls cut through the air, beauty hits you unaware. Every turn a different view, like the land's reminding me what's true. No destination pulling hard, just the rhythm and the heart. Let the worries fall behind, I don't need to outrun time. Where the road opens wide and the sky comes alive, I breathe deeper with every mile, riding through something bigger than I am. Through the valleys, through the climb, every bend resets my mind. Yeah, the world feels right when the road opens wide. Rain comes down, drums on steel, still rolling, still I feel every scar, every mile, every low made this worthwhile. Brother riding by my side, different roads, same inside. No words needed, just a ride, two lines cutting through the wild. Slow it down, let it breathe. This is more than speed to me. In the silence between gears, I remember why I'm here. Where the road opens wide and the sky comes alive, I breathe deeper with every mile, riding through something bigger than I am. Through the valleys, through the climb, every bend resets my mind. Yeah, the world feels right when the road opens wide. When the engine cools at night and the day fades out of sight, I still feel that open sky. Every time I close my eyes.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
I'm here, Graham. Technically mine, but not mine. It belongs to Midwest.
You wouldn't want to, believe me.
Here we are, Midwest Moto. Cleaner thing. So yeah, bit of a track to get down here. Wouldn't taken the best route, but it was a bit sketchy in places. But yeah, no, good to be here. Yeah, so it was good meeting up with the guys today over at Midwest Moto. Both of them are gone now. Kurt's on his way on his little Harley. But yeah, so I've got a what, 227 miles, 3.5 hours to get home. And what's it now? It's 2:15. But sun's shining.
Pointing north where the valleys rise, waves waiting under open skies.
Long roads bend through the green, bold and quiet and steady machine.
Every mile just slipped away, chasing light into their day. Steal the sky,
Wind and time.
these are the miles between fair, long white lines that never end.
Thunder humming,
Soft and low, through the places we all know. Light all day, let the world slow down. Find good people in another town.
breakfast talk and coffee steam, laughing loud like a rider's dream.
At West Moto, story is told.
Hands like iron, hearts of gold.
Engines ticking in the sun, another ride before it's done. Then south again, just me alone. Let the open